Presidential Election Petition Tribunal Summary Update. Tuesday, 20th of June 2023. This is day 16 of hearing. The petition PEPT Labour Party versus INEC, Tinubu, Shettima and APC. Case number CA/PEPC/03/2023. Proceedings began at about 2:43 p.m. after the judges are seated. PEPT represented himself and the Labour Party. Chris Maigada represented the APC. For legal counsels, Dr. Levi Nzoku-san led the petitioners' PEPT Labour Party legal team. Abubakar Mahmood-san led the first respondent INEC legal team. Wale Olanipekun-san led the second and third respondents Tinubu and Shettima legal team. Lateef Fagbemi-san led the fourth respondent APC legal team. Dr. Levi Nzoku-san informs the court Ikweto-san will be conducting proceedings for the petitioners and also stated the petitioner's witness on subpoena PW7 was in court for cross-examination. PW7 is an AWS cloud engineer and architect. Mahmood-san, counsel for the first respondent, cross-examined the petitioner's witness. Some highlights from the witness's response. The witness stated post-production maintenance was not missed on the witness report. Different companies have different development life cycles. In response to the question inferring glitches sometimes occur at post-production maintenance stage, the witness responded that was incorrect. Glitches occur during testing stage. The witness stated the health status on the witness report is the same as the personal health dashboard, which is general to all clients. Reports tendered by the witness show the health status of AWS services across all regions and not related to the security. The witness stated they do not have access to INEC infrastructure in regards to CloudTrail. When asked about the CloudTrail being the best evidence for what transpired in relation to INEC, the witness stated that was incorrect. The witness stated glitches should be caught during testing stage. It is highly unusual for glitches on primary testing stage to occur at production stage. The witness confirmed being a Labour Party candidate in the last elections, noting it was in the witness statement. The witness maintained their position in court was to testify as an AWS expert witness. The counsel for the second and third respondents cross-examined the petitioner's witness. Some highlights from the witness's response. The employment verification letter of the witness originated from Amazon Employee Resource Center. The witness stated AWS did not issue identification cards. Information on the witness's reports are publicly available information posted on AWS. The witness confirmed contesting under the Labour Party in the last elections. Counsel for the fourth respondent, Fagbemi-san, cross-examined the witness. Some highlights from the witness's response. The witness conducted preliminary review of INEC website, referencing paragraph 9 of the witness statement. The witness report stated, no glitches were recorded on AWS on the 25th of February 2023. Information in the witness's report is publicly available on AWS. The witness maintained testifying in court as an expert witness, not as an Amazon employee. The witness contested in the last elections in Cross Rivers State. The witness stated that the last glitch on Amazon was December 10, 2021. After the petitioner's witness PW7 was subsequently discharged from court, Dr. Levi Nzoku-san informs the court that the bailiff succeeded in serving INEC subpoena. INEC representative was in court and requested the representative inform the court if the documents subpoenaed for were brought to court. Of the two subpoenas, one dated the 30th of May and another the 13th of June 2023, the INEC representative from the Department of Certification and Complaints was in court in respect to the subpoena Ducis Tecum dated 30th May 2023. The INEC representative stated in respect to document A, INEC didn't have such document in existence. Documents listed in B, C, D, and E will come from other states, and INEC didn't have logistics in place to get them now. Only documents listed in two other paragraphs were currently available in court. The representative mentioned an INEC ICT representative was also in court to present documents requested in respect to the subpoena dated the 13th of June 2023. Dr. Levy Nzoku-san requests to know when documents A to E will be presented to the court, noting that document A is all over INEC's website and cannot be said not to be in their possession. The INEC representative stated the subpoena was served yesterday and the documents were enormous to bring all at once to court and will be ready as soon as possible. Dr. Levy noted as soon as possible does not give a time, and the petitioner's case was scheduled to conclude on Friday. Mahmood San, the lead counsel for INEC, notes the situation was explained by the representative and the documents from other states will be brought to the court. He further stated the subpoena was served yesterday and the petitioners were pressing for documents and had not paid for the documents. Dr. Levy Nzoku-san expressed that the subpoena has been available since the 30th of May and he met with INEC's counsel Mahmood San twice. He noted INEC refused to accept service of subpoena, a deliberate action to frustrate the case. He also stated some of the documents were in Abuja and nearby states and asked if the documents had been produced. The INEC representative, who was also representing the INEC chairman, stated the documents in Abuja was in court and they were waiting for logistics from other states, stating also the petitioners had not paid. Dr. Levy-san expressed even documents paid for hadn't fully been received. The petitioners are willing to pay INEC immediately if they produce the documents now. Justice Samani asked the petitioner's counsel what happens if INEC fails to provide the documents. Dr. Levy Nzoku-san responded that INEC had flouted an order of the court. When pressed further by the judge, Dr. Levy Nzoku-san stated they will move an application but will wait till tomorrow and see. INEC's counsel Mahmood San refers the court to Section 74 of the Electoral Act. Dr. Levy Nzoku-san stated the petitioner's counsel sent lawyers with applications to all states and INEC refused to hand over documents, stating they must be certified at the national headquarters. Justice Samani asked the petitioner's counsel the way forward and application. Dr. Levy Nzoku-san prayed the court that INEC, having failed to provide documents by order of the court, be mandated to produce the documents tomorrow. Dr. Levy noted, INEC created the situation by refusing to accept the service of subpoena, expressing displeasure at the conduct of INEC throughout the proceedings. The court requests the petitioner's legal counsel provide documents to show they made applications for documents to show contravention of Section 74 of the Electoral Act. Justice Ada notes the petitioners could have filed a formal complaint of violation of Section 74, subsection 2, so that the penalty for violation be implemented. Dr. Levy responds, that resident commissioners were ordered by National INEC not to release documents except on the authority of the INEC headquarters. The court notes the petitioners were supposed to request subpoena for resident commissioners so that at violation they can be punished, but they requested subpoena for the INEC Commission headquarters and chairman. Dr. Levy reaffirms his position that the court has the power to ensure court orders are obeyed. The counsel for the first respondent, Mahmood San, requests INEC ICT representative presents documents to the court. The INEC ICT representative presents documents to the court in respect to the subpoena dated 13th of June 2023. Of the 5 documents listed on the subpoena, the representative stated only 2 were available in court. When asked by the court about the other documents, the representative stated, quote, "We don't have them," and stated document C is still a work in progress. He also gave the court explanations for the non-existence of other documents requested in the subpoena. Dr. Levy Nzoku-san informs the court the documents brought by INEC will be tendered later by the petitioners and requested to get the certified true copies for review before admitting in court. The application for adjournment was taken and there were no objections. The court adjourned till 2 p.m. Wednesday, the 21st of June 2023. The court proceedings ended at about 5:40 p.m.